Hi everyone, in this session we are discussing and concentrating on computer networks part 1. In this video you will learn about computer networks, advantages and disadvantages, components of a network, etc. What is a network? The term network means interconnection, for example cable TV, mobile phone, human network, etc. A cable TV network is an interconnection between TVs. Mobile phone network is an interconnection between different mobile phones. A network in any form has always given better results, better outcomes, and better utilization of resources. Computer network and introduction. A computer network is a collection of interconnected autonomous computing devices so as to exchange information and resources. Example: connection between laptop and mobile phone, connection between your smartwatch and your mobile phone, etc. The main aim of computer network is to exchange information and resources. The term autonomous means independent. Advantages of network. These are the main advantages of network. First one, using network we can share resources. 2. Share storage. 3. Can share software. 4. Improve communication. These are the main advantages. We will discuss one by one. First one, share resources. Using network we can share devices like printers and scanners. This is cheaper than buying equipment for each computer. Second point, share storage. The data can be stored centrally and able to access files from any machines on the network. Third one, can share software. The software can be installed centrally rather than on each machine. Fourth point, improve communication. Messages can be sent internally. For example, internal emails. These are the main advantages of network. Disadvantages. First point, complexity. Computer networks are more sophisticated and complex to run, and you may need specialist staff to run the network. That is the first point, complexity. Second point, if the networks are badly managed, services can become unusable. Third point, server fails, everything fails. If the software and files are held centrally, it may be impossible to carry out any work if the server fails. Next, security issues. File security is more important, especially if connected to internet. Example, protection from spyware, virus, hackers, etc. Components of a computer network. These are many components that together make a network. We are going to discuss briefly about different components. First one, host or nodes. Computing devices which are attached to a network is known as host or node. Server. A computer that facilitates the sharing of data, software and hardware resources on network is termed as server. Third one, clients. A client computer is a host computer that requests for some service from a server. Network hardware. NIC. Network interface card. It is a card attached to the host to establish network connection. Second one, hub, switch, router, etc. These are connectivity devices. Communication medium or communication channel. Host in a network interact with the other hosts and servers through a communication medium. The communication channel can either be wired communication medium or wireless communication medium. Wired communication medium. In this case, the host and servers are connected via guided media. In this communication, host is connected to the servers directly. There is a physical connection between host and the server. Second one, wireless communication medium. There is no physical connection between host and servers. The connection between host and servers established through unguided media like radio waves, satellites, infrared waves, laser, etc. Software. Software of the network make networking possible. Example, protocols like HTTP, TCP/IP, FTP, etc. and network operating systems. Thank you for watching. Bye.